Alright guys, welcome back to Piggy Garage. Today I am doing a air filter change on my Ford Fusion Energy. This is a 2017, but this works on any 2016 model up. Maybe even a 2015, I'm not sure. I will have to look. I'll put it right here in the description. But the model number, part number is FA-1911 or DG97-9601-A. I will put the link in the description to this part number, or this part, right on Amazon, so you guys can just pick that up. It's really easy install. You just have to take these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts off with a 5/16 wrench, and literally just loosen them up. They're quite long as well, so don't lose them. But yeah, so go ahead and take them all off, put them in a safe spot. Alright, so I've taken all 5 screws off. This thing just pops right up and off. And here's the look at the filter. So pay attention how this thing goes in, as we will putting the new one in the same exact way. This one hasn't been changed in 60,000 miles. It doesn't look too bad, but if we take out the new one, you can kind of see the difference. This one's a little bit blacker, but pretty simple install. Literally just, we'll take that piece of tape out. I don't know where that came from. It might have come off the old filter, but you literally place the new one right in where the old one was. Take the old dust and debris out, and then you pop the cover right back on and just apply the five bolts back in. So I'll go ahead and do that. Also, real quick, what I like to do is I like to do cross bolts first. So I did this bolt first, then this bolt, then I'll do this one, then final this bolt right here. Same with wheels, anything like that. It just it's better. And there you go, guys. All 5 bolts are in. The air filter has been changed. Once again, this is part number FA-1911 DG97-9601-A. Here's the old filter. It was a really simple process. Only took a couple seconds to do, and keeps your car healthy and running like new. As always, thanks for watching, and check out some more stuff on my channel.